Craving a classic? Today we're making a sensational Caesar salad right in your kitchen. Forget the bottle. This fresh, flavorful version is surprisingly simple and incredibly satisfying. Get ready to impress. First, let's create that iconic creamy dressing. Combine mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, fresh lemon juice, and a touch of Worcestershire sauce in a bowl. Add a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese and freshly cracked black pepper. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until smooth. Now, slowly drizzle in good quality olive oil while continuously whisking. This emulsifies the dressing, creating that luscious, rich consistency. Taste and adjust to your preference. For the best experience, whip up some quick homemade croutons. Tear day-old bread into bite-sized pieces and toss with olive oil, a pinch of garlic powder, and salt. Bake until golden brown and delightfully crunchy. Wash and thoroughly dry crisp romaine lettuce. In a large bowl, add the prepared lettuce. Pour over a generous amount of your homemade Caesar dressing. Gently toss to ensure every leaf is perfectly coated. Finally, sprinkle in your freshly baked croutons and extra grated Parmesan cheese. A final flourish of black pepper elevates every bite. There you have it, a truly incredible Caesar salad made from scratch. It's ideal as a vibrant side dish or a light, satisfying main course. Enjoy the fresh flavors and your culinary accomplishment.